Hi everyone, my name's Rachel and I'm one of the business graduates at Perfection Fresh, and I'd studied marketing and food science at the University of New South Wales. I've always been interested in pursuing a career in the food and FMCG space, so coming into Perfection was a really great opportunity for me. For the first 6 months at Perfection, I was working across marketing and the new product development team, where I worked on some different projects such as a brand campaign for Perfection Berries, which involves working with an agency to create some digital assets for our social media. I also worked on development of some meal kits, which involved recipe testing, shelf life testing, and also product specs, which was really exciting because it was something that was completely new. I've also been in the quality and production teams, and later this year I'll even be relocating for Brisbane for a couple of months just to experience how the farm operations also work. Perfection's grad program is great because it's a really hands-on experience, and the rotation across different teams really allows you to understand and see firsthand how the whole business operates. You're also really given a chance to step outside of your comfort zone because you really will learn things that are outside of your current knowledge and skills. For your applications, and hopefully I'll see you in the city or the soon.